You'll need to get past them if you want to take care of Voles. Good luck.
Hello there.
Oh, jeez, darling, I'm so hungry.
Look at this place. It's like he doesn't trust us to keep the neighborhood safe. Guy's got sensors on everything but the darn mailbox.
You should definitely have one there. People steal mail around here all the time.
Damn shame, too. I just can't imagine trusting some alarm system more than you trust a flesh and blood officer of the law.
Well, it's louder, isn't it, sir?
It's not loud if you trip the breaker first. Anyone could do that. They'd only need to get into the basement, then bing.